Hello dear fans. How to learn the basics of massage. Massage, like nothing else, has a beneficial effect on the well-being of most people. It can relieve pain, relax the human body, and make it slimmer and more beautiful. Unfortunately, not everyone can find the time and opportunity to periodically contact a professional in order to undergo a massage course. How to learn the basics of massage yourself. Massage is a truly miraculous procedure, which, despite its apparent simplicity, brings a huge positive effect on the whole body. Restore impaired blood circulation in tissues. Eliminate manifestations of osteochondrosis, get rid of cellulite and relieve swelling. This is not a complete list of what a skilled massage therapist can do. That is why massage is always a demanded procedure, and, perhaps, the best relaxation method invented by mankind. Is it possible to learn how to do massage yourself, and how to do it? How to do an anti-cellulite massage yourself. One of the most popular types of massage is vacuum massage, which allows you to eliminate the orange peel so upsetting for girls. It is best produced in the morning after a hot shower. The fact is that it is at this time that the body is ready to maximally remove excess fluid, as well as toxins and toxins. Many people perform this massage after sports at any time, which is also very useful because it helps to tighten and elasticize the skin. You will need a silicone massage jar. You can buy it at the pharmacy. After a hot shower, first knead the problem areas with your hands. This will increase the blood flow in them and prepare the skin for more intense exposure. Then lubricate the skin with massage oil. Squeeze the jar and let it suck to your body. Without lifting the jar from the skin, smoothly move it along each of the problem areas, without increasing the length of the massage for any of them for more than 10 minutes. At the end of the massage, apply a special anti-cellulite gel to the body. How to learn the basics of massage therapy. You have to master the basic techniques of therapeutic massage, which include stroking, rubbing, kneading, and vibrating movements. The intensity of the effect gradually increases. At the beginning, the masseur gently strokes the patient's skin, increasing the pressure over time. Stroking is carried out both with the tips of the fingers and the entire surface of the palm. They are produced in all directions. When the patient's skin is warm enough, you can move on to rubbing movements, during which the skin is stretched and displaced in different directions. After rubbing, you can proceed to kneading the muscles, which includes gripping, pulling, squeezing, and stretching the tissues. At this stage, the blood flow in the tissues is significantly improved and the pain syndrome is relieved with a high degree of efficiency. Vibrational movements are performed by the masseur with different pressing force, amplitude, and direction. Thus, his hands are lifted from the patient's skin after each push. Thanks for watching.